ko lang po, Madam Speaker, dito po pa na 2:55 lang po unang nakita ng committee report dahil yan po ang oras na pagka-post doon sa Viber group natin. Yun lang po.
Madam Speaker, 3 oras na po ang nakalipas mula nung ipinost sa Viber group. Hindi naman po ganun kahaba ang committee report para basahin. That being said, Madam Speaker, valid naman po ang katanungan at ang concern ni Representative Toby Chanco, and his manifestation would be noted and it would be considered by all of our members as we vote on this committee report.
Okay, pangalawa po. Si Kong Kiko Pagsaga po ba ang nakasira ng dignidad, integridad, at reputasyon ng House of Representatives? Yung pa bang sinasabi niya ang nakasira? Ibig sabihin, kahit tawagin niyang House of Crocodiles to, hindi naman sira yung integridad ng House. Yung bang sinasabi niya ang nakasira o may mga ibang bagay na nakasira?
Para sa akin po, Madam Speaker, napakahalaga na kung titingnan natin ang ating committee report, merong specific complainant, merong specific respondent, at merong specific causes of action that are complained of. I mentioned this, Madam Speaker, in my sponsorship speech. Una, disruptive physical demeanor, repeatedly interrupted actual plenary sessions, engaging in loud outbursts, distracting members. 2, mockery of leadership, yung pag-superimpose ng animated crocodiles over members, unauthorized and standards live broadcast. Kung tututukan ko po ng telepono sa harapan ng mukha mo, ito po ay pinanindigan. Pinanindigan po namin sa Committee on Ethics, at ito po ang naging pasya ng aming mga miyembro na patawag po ng expulsion ang ating respondent. It should also be noted, Madam Speaker, that it doesn't happen very often in this August chamber na meron tayong miyembro na kaharap sa multiple ethics complaint. Pagkatapos po, masuspende ng ating respondent on 2 occasions, may kolektilya po ang committee report. Nakalagay po dyan, repetition of a similar misconduct